Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up? You all are fine, I hope. That's we know that how in Corona and COVID-19 is increasing. I am today in very much happy mood, so I am going to make this video and right now upload it. It is related to exam tips and thank you very much for 459 views on my channel. मैंने जस्ट अपलोड किया था 300 प्लस व्यूज़ का सेलिब्रेशन वीडियो और जैसे ही मैंने क्लिक किया अबाउट टोटल व्यूज़ देर आई सीन वॉट 400 plus views. I was really too much shocked and also I was happy that thank you for giving me that much views and also subscribers increased to 13. Thank you for that. I hope that you will support me and also increase the subscribers. And I said what 500 views plus 50 subscriber, so face will be revealed, and I'm eagerly too much to reveal the face because I want that webcam also see and yeah, that's only. So I had made a short video in which I had already told you earlier only that it was next video is going to be of exam tips. That's we are right now. So let's start this video. So in this video I am going to tell you some tips related to exam. So if my exam is tomorrow, so what should I do today to prepare it? I will say it may be if your exam is going to be, then how you can prepare. So I don't know whether this tips will work at you or not, but I had seen that when I'm using these tips, it is really working. So I'm sharing with you all and वही तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो मैंने सबसे पहले सोचा कि अगर आपका कोई भी सब्जेक्ट्स है तो फर्स्ट आपको पहले देखना होगा कि आपके सब्जेक्ट्स क्या हैं, राइट. तो अगर आपका फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट्स है साइंस, सो यू हैव टू सी दैट पेपर स्टाइल. आई डोंट नो पेपर स्टाइल आपको पता है कि नहीं, बट पेपर स्टाइल होता है जिसमें हमें बताया था कि पेपर कैसे आंक्स होने वाला है एग्ज़ाम्स को लेकर. सो आई नो अबाउट द पेपर स्टाइल. So what you have to do is paper style. Go watch it paper style and learn according to the given paper style. क्योंकि जब भी हमें मतलब कि आपने प्रिपरेशन नहीं की है और पहले से ही और जस्ट you have to prepare for your exams when you get known. So what you can do, just cover up the paper style. कि अगर जितने क्वेश्चंस पेपर स्टाइल में दिए तो आप वही सिर्फ लर्न करें और एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स को लर्न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब आपका एग्ज़ाम्स ओवर हो जाए रियल ऑन, यू कैन लर्न ऑल थिंग्स, राइट. दैट इज़ व्हाट द टिप दैट यू कैन यूज़ एज अ पेपर स्टाइल मेथड. सो दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट मेथड दैट हाउ यू कैन प्रिपेयर बिफोर द एग्ज़ाम इफ यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर अर्लियर. So let's go on our next topic. So next thing is paper. First was paper style. Next is revision. Of course, revision and practice. Means if tomorrow is my exam and I have to prepare today onwards. So what you can do is you just take out the question answers. I want to say that just take out the question answers and start doing its revision. Or revise whole the syllabus. Means take your book in which it is written and read it out, but don't your mind should be on your book, not any other where. So if you are doing that method, it also will be helpful. And I am doing also practice. Means if you have time, so you can also practice those things which you do not know. That's true. If you do not know that some questions, you can just practice out. So this was our second method. Now what's the third method is, okay, so our third method is you can also revise the objectives. So what is objective means, I know you know, and I also know that you are knowing, but I am telling to know those I know ओह माय गॉड, मुझे पता है कि आप सबको रियली में लाफिंग आ रही है कि मैंने क्या 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 बोला, बट मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ऑब्जेक्टिव का मीनिंग आप सबको पता है, लेकिन जिनको नहीं पता उनको मैं बता दूँ कि ऑब्जेक्टिव्स मीन्स फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू और फॉल्स, मैच द फॉलोइंग, आइडेंटिफाई मी। सो ये जो शॉर्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, जो भी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, सिनोनियम्स, एंटोनियम्स, दैट ऑल, तो वो सब भी स्मॉल स्मॉल क्वेश्चन जिनको हम इजीली रिवाइज कर सकते हैं अगर मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स कल हो और आज नहीं है मुझे करना है। तो जो मैंने फर्स्ट मेथड बनाया था रिवीजन और प्रैक्टिस का, वो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एक सेपरेट बना लो, क्योंकि आई हैड नोटिस दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, most are objectives like poems and all, fill in the blanks, MCQs, and that all are objectives, and only questions are asked of mostly 10 or 20 marks in a simple test. Okay, so that's what, so we can learn the objective so we can get higher marks. If you are revising it you are late, so this what our third topic. And fourth is what you can do that you during your exams. I noticed that we get less time. So time issues, I know that all know, I know I know that all face it. So time issues, what you have to do, the objectives, when you know the question answers everything clearly, there is no time issues for you. But when you don't know how to solve it, how to do it, then you face time issues. So what you have to do is revise the second and third topic. Second and third topic is important, so you can did not get any time issues. You have 24 hours before the exam, so these two topics are mostly that main what you have for exams. And revision, practice, revise the objectives, these are main. So next our last, that is exams. Yeah, you may be saying that what exam, which type exam. So you all know that exams are very nice, it make us study, so it is nice. So how to prepare it before one day is write down main points. Write down main points. Main points of the chapters also have may to for you. If you had written something main points in your separate notebook, you can revise that all, and everything which is asked, maybe it is on the chapter onwards, so you can write by yourself and even you can get marks for it. So I am going to change this fourth topic, time issues. It is correct that time issues are there, but today our YouTube video is on the tips, so I am telling that fourth topic is see the chapter. See the chapter, not on the main point, see the chapter. You have, if you have time, then you can only see, or means one time you can read out all the syllabus chapters. So it is also helpful, because when you are reading out, your mind would be there and you will understood that what was the story based on, and you can write by yourself. Yeah, so these were my 5 main points for related to your exams. I hope you like this video, and video is going out of 9 minutes. So I am going to end this video, otherwise you may be feeling boring. So that's for today. I hope you like this video too, and shorts are there. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Don't forget to press the notification button, bell button to receive notifications. And yeah, that's for today. रुक जाओ, बोलना भूल गई मेन चीज़ कि शॉर्ट वीडियो में ऑब्वियसली कभी कभी होता है कि थैंक यू के लिए या फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो क्या होने वाली है, थोड़ा सा मैं पढ़ाई के रिलेटेड कुछ ऐसे डाल देती हूँ। तो शॉर्ट वीडियोस भी देखना और लॉन्ग वीडियोस भी देखना और शेयर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो प्लीज़ शेयर इट टू मेक इट मोर सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड फेस रिवील्ड। याद रखना।